Hello student. Today we start the new chapter of geography, chapter 3rd, motions of the earth. Motions of the earth. In this chapter we discuss about the differences between rotation and revolution. And due to rotation, what are the effect? Due to revolution, what are the effect? And revolution and rotation duration, rotation and revolution period. Okay, as you know that earth is planet and all planet perform two type of motion. They all rotate on their axis and revolve around the sun on a fixed elliptical path called the orbit. These two movements, rotation and revolution, influences the earth in many ways. Here is one question. The sun is the source of light for the earth, but it is stationary. How do you different parts of the earth, how do the different parts of the earth get light as it is a sphere? The answer is due to rotation and revolution. Yeah, you can say also that because the earth rotate in their axis, in their orbit, and also revolve. Okay. Now, rotation. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth complete one rotation in 24 hours. Due to rotation, day and night occur, and with the help of this diagram you can know that the angle of 66 half degree to its orbital plane and 23 half degree to its vertical, and this tilt is called inclination of the earth axis. Also you can also see the inclination of the earth axis. Here Tropic of Capricorn, here Tropic of Cancer, this one is center equator. And as the earth rotates from west to east, you know that west to east, this direction west to east, the half of the earth's surface facing the sun gets light while other half remain darkness. The portion getting light is said to be called experiencing day, while other half is experience night. The circle that divided day and night is called circle of illumination. Or due to day and night, yeah, light or darkness, dawn, morning, moon, afternoon, dusk, these are happen. You also say that these are various conditions we face through an earth day. The period diffused light when the sun is still not visible just before sunrise is called dawn. Morning or evening is the time when the sun rays are slanting. This is followed by noon when the sun is directly overhead. Japan is also called the land of rising sun, and Norway is called the land of midnight sun. And in India, Arunachal Pradesh, where first sun rising is seeing and the sun moves away, we experienced afternoon followed by evening and last sunset. Again there is a period of diffuse light before it gets dark and is called dusk. Places near equator where equal day and night throughout the year and also experience longer period of dawn and dusk. Move towards the pole, north pole, south pole, the length of day and night changes depending on the season. And a critical condition is discussed here. If the earth did not rotate, the portion facing of sun would always be warm and experience daytime, while the other half would be darkness and remain extremely cold. In both cases is not possible to sustain life. And now revolution. Earth movement around the sun is an elliptical orbit and is called revolution. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. This causes a phenomenon of season. Due to revolution causes changing in season, and due to rotation occur day and night. Okay, in next video we discuss leap year and season. Thank you very